I'm doing another album cover.
This one, I decided I want to try and paint it. So that's what we're gonna do right here, right now, today. Let's go.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Andreas, and we are back with another episode of me doing art. What do I got for you today? Back at the freelance, we're doing another album cover. This time for the homie PrimeTime Black and cohorts with none other than Tendrils. Definitely had to roll one up for this. Roll one up and burn one down because this project was heavy. PrimeTime's a heavy dude, and I had to put it all out there for him.
So that's what we're gonna do right here, right now, today. Let's go. Oh yeah, I'm thinking for this one, we're gonna do it a little differently. I've been doing most of my album covers digitally. Been using Adobe Illustrator and doing them vector graphics for the most part, but this one I decided I want to try and paint it. So I'm gonna get my notes from Black and set up my easel and lights. We're gonna start sketching out some ideas. Let's get to it.
All right, we got the setup looking proper, ready to start sketching out his cover. So what are we gonna do? For this, he wants a POV of him looking down on a desk with a go bag and a gun on the table. Maybe his hand on the gun with a roll light. Let's see if I can find some images to go off of, and then we're gonna start sketching. All right, here we go.
Take a picture of this and send it to Black, and then we're gonna roll from there. Alright, here's a rough sketch of the next cover. Let me know what you're thinking. Alright, so we got some changes. Oh yeah! Alright, we're about to send that off to Black. See what he has to say.
First things first, we nail the sketch. Make sure everything's in the right spot, the chaos is in order, and sketch is looking good. Ready to start adding some color. So this was going from the background to the foreground.
Let's go. Let's go. I put my niggas on go. Let's go. I put my all in the pot when I'm cooking the dough. 40 tucked under my coat. Play me for pussy, I promise that you gon' get smoked. Ain't no OGs when I smoke. I pay 400 the onion for something to smoke. Niggas be frontin', they broke. I buy your bitch a new person, put dick in her throat. Try me, it's murder, she wrote. I was 15 cooking blow. Rest in peace, Jeezy, the legend, he showed me the ropes. I got the game from a pro. 124 Village Ave, if you know that you know. Stood on the block in the snow. Rocks in my sock with a pole. I can turn 2 into 4. Got your bitch watching my moves and she ready to go. Life on the line for my bro. Kept it 100, ain't never put shit in my nose. I don't say shit to 5-0. Ask me whatever you want, I'ma keep my mouth closed. Live by old murder the code. Smell like a pound in my clothes. I put that K on a nigga since 762. It's a whole lot of rounds that it hold. I'm trying to get me a load. I used to be in the kitchen and scraping a bowl. I don't put trust in no hoe. Bitches gonna do what they want, that's the way the shit go. Thuggin', that's all that I know. Went to the prison and stood on all 10 of my toes. I was in traffic on 495 with a 9 and a 9 on the grind. Pray to granny, I make it back home.
This knock, it gotta be 10 drill. You don't know how waking up, hearing metal scraping in the Let's go.
I sold my soul to the track. I used to ride in that bubble with 17 shots in my lap. I put my hood on my back. Bought my first flip for 100 and never looked back. I still remember the first time I counted a stack. Can't take my niggas in public outside of the hood, cause none of us know how to act. Know it and get it right back. Double my re-up and put a little bread in the stash for my babies and buy a new strap. I got your bitch on my lap. She gon' eat dick and bend over with no string attached. Shoulder sling over the Mac. Shoot at me, I'ma shoot back. No, I ain't running, no calling for help and no telling. We hold it court right where we at. I stuff my drawers full of crack. Still doing numbers, got 28 grands, 12 flat. Choppers like me and I rap. 223s in this bitch, they a knock over Shaq. I don't cut no niggas slack. I don't believe in these niggas, I know they gon' cap. No, they ain't been in no trap. Never had bleach on your arms after busting a strap. Never been stuck in a cell making dinner with stingers and water that come from a tap. I can see right through you niggas, it's easy to fool a civilian, but I'm really that. Don't put no water gun emoji on no nigga posting no chat. I don't do beef over rap. I don't pay none of these niggas no man. You hit them with that, you know they gon' rap.
What I learned from from this is that sketch is crucial. Working with the clientele, it's a combination of their vision and your creation. You got to turn your creation into their vision. Lately, this is kind of the style of painting I've been exploring. So for this, I use a mixture of black Posca pen and a Sharpie to get all the black line work. For me, that's really kind of what brings all these pieces together, because I just use the color to get the general shape, and then the final step, adding the black line, I feel is what really solidifies the piece. It was cool to paint an album cover for once, as opposed to doing it all digitally. Good shit. This is good shit. And yeah, it's all good shit. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Until next time.
Rest in peace to my lost soldiers. While I smoke dope and let the Henny spill. Bass beating out the box. This bitch knocked. It gotta be 10 drills. You don't know how waking up hearing metal scraping.